Hi YouTube, it's PCP Reversi, and today I'm going to be opening up an Umbreon BREAKpoint triple blister pack. I haven't opened any BREAKpoint cards yet, or packs yet, but yeah, I'm very excited, and it has an Umbreon promo, which is cool because Umbreon is one of my favourite Pokemon. So here is the promo. It's a very nice Umbreon. And we have a Deoxys coin. You can barely see that. Oh. Maybe that's a bit better. Yeah, it's a Deoxys coin. Finally, no Kalos starters. Because I have like 50 million of them. Or I've gotten 50 million of them. So here's all the packs. Okay. Yay, decided to focus. So we have a Hatemore, Swanna, Cloyster, looks very nice, Numel or Numel, whatever, Ducklet, Shinx, Honedge, that's cool. That looks like the sword in the stone when you pull it out, Scrub, Staryu, and a Golduck. Even though it's a rare, it looks very, very nice. It looks like a holo-worthy card. Potion, Splash Energy, Misty's Determination. Well, I didn't know how to Misty Savannah. Rattata, Scorpio, Pancham, Kricketot, Petalil, Cloyster Reverse, and a Garbodor Holo, which is nice. The final pack, the Greninja break. Does that mean we will get a Greninja break in this pack? Find out next episode of Dragon Ball Z. So we have Perugly, Scissor Spirit Link, All Night Party. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, it is absolutely adorable. Chikorita, Gibble, Glameow, Phantomp, Psyduck, Blitzel, and a Trevenant. So overall pretty average. Bull's got one holo, which is cool. Better than no holos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.